Hi, this is Robin. Just a quick rundown on configuring the Text2Open device. So this device, I'm going to plug it into my network. Pardon me, I'm going to plug it into my USB. Connect it to my USB. So now we're just going to wait for a second. It's got to boot up. It takes about, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and it should boot up. Now, basically what it's going to do is it's going to try to connect to a Wi-Fi hotspot that's been pre-configured. In this case, this is a fresh device. I've just received it from Tomahawk Technologies, and I plug it in, and so therefore it's not programmed, so I need to program it. So what I'm going to be looking for is when I scan, you should be able to see the device show up in the list of available SSIDs with Text2Open. So we can see here that it has shown up, Text2Open, and the 107E0C is actually the unique identifier for this particular device. So now, if I click on that, you can see that it's an open network. There is no password. So if I click on it and connect, I connect to it right away. Should be able to obtain an IP address from this device. You can see that I'm connected. And when I click on it, we can see that this particular tablet is actually connected to 4.2. So the tablet IP is 4.2. I do know that the device itself is 4.1. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop open our browser. What's interesting, if I did this on a mobile phone, the mobile phone automatically goes to the 4.1 address. But we're just going to type that in here. So 192.168.4.1 and enter. And it brings me to the configuration screen. So here I'm able to check on the info of this device. So I can see that the device's unique ID, the MAC addresses, that sort of technical detail. I can configure the Wi-Fi, so that's what I want to do. I can configure it with no scan, and that would be for hidden SSIDs. So you're going to go ahead and configure the Wi-Fi. It's going to do a scan on the network. You can see that there's a number of neighbors have hotspots. Mine is Malloy, so I click on Malloy, type in the password. And then as well, I can supply a name. So in this case, the default is entry 1. I'm going to actually supply my wife's name. So you can see here, name alphanumeric only. So that's my wife's name because it's going to be for her garage door. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save that. No, I do not want to save. So save never. And you can see that basically it saved the credentials, and then it's going to try to connect to my network. And then if that fails, it will come back as Text2Open again. So at this point, I'm holding the device and I can see the blue light is blinking. It has a blue light on it, and the blue light is blinking, which tells me that it is actually connected to the Malloy hotspot. So in the next step, we're going to be connecting this to the garage door opener. Thanks for watching.